Are you ready to elevate your bathroom experience to a whole new level? In today's video, we're diving into the world of innovation with our list of the top 10 unbelievable gadgets that can transform your bathroom into a personal oasis. From smart technology that enhances your daily routine to luxurious accessories that add a touch of elegance, these gadgets are designed to make your bathroom not just functional, but also a sanctuary of relaxation and style. Whether you're looking to save time, improve hygiene, or simply indulge in a bit of luxury, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned as we unveil these game-changing gadgets that will revolutionize the way you think about your bathroom. Number 10. Colar Veil Intelligent Toilet. The Colar Veil combines sleek design with advanced technology, featuring a self-cleaning system that uses UV light to sanitize the bowl after each use. Its compact, modern aesthetic fits seamlessly into any bathroom decor, while the integrated bidet functionality offers a hygienic alternative to traditional toilet paper. The toilet also boasts a heated seat and adjustable water temperature, enhancing comfort. However, compared to higher-ranked models, it lacks some smart features like remote control operation or personalized settings, which makes it a great entry-level option, but not as versatile as those above it. Its reliability and stylish design make it a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their bathroom experience without breaking the bank. Number 9. Moen U by Moen Digital Shower Controller. The Moen U by Moen Digital Shower Controller offers a modern twist on your daily shower routine, allowing you to customize water temperature and flow with just a touch. Its sleek touchscreen interface is intuitive, enabling you to set your ideal shower conditions before stepping in. With the ability to control multiple shower heads and body sprays, it creates a spa-like experience right at home. However, it ranks at number 9 due to its reliance on Wi-Fi connectivity, which can sometimes lead to connectivity issues. In contrast to higher-ranked models that offer more robust smart home integration and voice control features, the Moen U remains a fantastic choice for those seeking convenience and style in their bathroom. Number 8. Aquatru Smart Bath Mat. The Aquatru Smart Bath Mat is a revolutionary addition to your bathroom, designed to enhance safety and convenience. This innovative mat features built-in sensors that detect moisture, automatically turning on a gentle drying function to keep your bathroom floor dry and slip-free. Its sleek, modern design complements any decor while providing a soft, cushioned surface underfoot. However, it ranks at number 8 due to its limited functionality compared to higher-ranked gadgets that offer more comprehensive smart home integration. While the Aquatru excels in moisture management, it lacks advanced features like app connectivity or personalized settings found in top-tier models. Still, it's an excellent choice for those prioritizing safety and comfort in their daily routine. Number 7. Delta Faucet Water-Saving Showerhead. The Delta Faucet water-saving showerhead combines eco-friendliness with performance, delivering a refreshing shower experience while conserving water. With a flow rate of just 1.75 gallons per minute, it significantly reduces water usage without sacrificing pressure, thanks to its innovative H2O kinetic technology that creates a unique wave pattern. The showerhead features multiple spray settings, allowing users to customize their experience from a gentle mist to a powerful spray. However, it ranks at number 7 because, while it excels in efficiency, it lacks the smart features and connectivity options found in higher-ranked models. Compared to those advanced gadgets, the Delta Faucet remains a reliable choice for environmentally conscious consumers seeking quality and performance in their daily showers. Number 6. Amba Towel Warmer Heated Towel Rack. The Amba Towel Warmer Heated Towel Rack is a luxurious addition to any bathroom, designed to provide warmth and comfort after a shower. This stylish rack features multiple bars for hanging towels, ensuring they are toasty and dry when you need them. With a sleek stainless steel design, it not only serves a practical purpose, but also enhances the aesthetic of your space. The rack heats up quickly and can be hardwired or plugged in for convenience. However, it ranks at number 6 because, while it offers a delightful warming experience, it lacks the smart technology and programmable features found in higher-ranked gadgets. Still, it remains a must-have for those seeking a touch of luxury in their daily routine. Number 5. JBL Flip 5 Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Flip 5 waterproof Bluetooth speaker is the perfect companion for your bathroom, delivering high-quality sound in a compact, portable design. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can enjoy your favorite tunes without worrying about splashes or humidity. The speaker features a powerful battery that provides up to 12 hours of playtime, ensuring your music lasts through long showers or relaxing baths. Its rugged exterior and vibrant color options make it both stylish and durable. However, it ranks at number 5 because, while it excels in portability and sound quality, it lacks the integrated smart features and multi-room capabilities found in higher-ranked systems. Still, it's an excellent choice for music lovers looking to enhance their bathroom experience. Number 4. Moen Arbor Touchless Faucet. The Moen Arbor Touchless Faucet is a game-changer for modern bathrooms, offering a seamless blend of convenience and style. With its motion-sensing technology, this faucet allows you to turn the water on and off with just a wave of your hand, promoting hygiene and reducing water waste. The sleek, high-arc design and polished chrome finish add a touch of elegance to any sink. Additionally, it features a built-in LED light that indicates when the battery is low, ensuring you're never caught off guard. However, it ranks at number 4 because, while it excels in functionality, it lacks the advanced smart features and connectivity options found in higher-ranked models. Still, it remains a top choice for those seeking a touch of luxury and practicality in their bathroom. Number 3. Houseen LED Mirror with Bluetooth. The Houseen LED Mirror with Bluetooth is a stunning fusion of functionality and modern technology, designed to elevate your bathroom experience. This sleek, frameless mirror features adjustable LED lighting that provides perfect illumination for grooming and makeup application. With built-in Bluetooth speakers, you can effortlessly connect your smartphone to enjoy your favorite music or podcasts while getting ready. The touch-sensitive controls allow for easy operation, including brightness adjustment and power on/off. However, it ranks at number 3 because, while it offers impressive features, it lacks the advanced smart home integration found in higher-ranked models. Still, the Houseen mirror stands out for its stylish design and practical functionality, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their daily routine. Number 2. Biobay BB-2000 Bliss Automatic Toilet Seat. The Biobay BB-2000 Bliss Automatic Toilet Seat redefines bathroom luxury with its advanced features and user-friendly design. This high-tech bidet seat offers a heated seat, adjustable water temperature, and customizable spray settings, ensuring a comfortable and hygienic experience. Its intuitive remote control allows for effortless operation, while the built-in air dryer adds an extra layer of convenience. The seat also features a nightlight for easy navigation in the dark. However, it ranks at number 2 because, while it excels in comfort and functionality, it lacks the full smart home integration and app connectivity found in the top-ranked item. Still, the Biobay BB-2000 stands out as a premium choice for those seeking a blend of luxury and practicality in their bathroom. Number 1. Moen Smart Shower System. The Moen Smart Shower System takes the top spot with its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled user experience. This system allows you to control water temperature, flow, and even multiple shower heads through a sleek app or voice commands via smart home devices. With its precise digital controls, you can set personalized presets for each family member, ensuring the perfect shower every time. The system also features a built-in timer to help manage water usage, promoting sustainability without sacrificing comfort. Unlike the Biobay BB-2000, which focuses on toilet comfort, the Moen Smart Shower System integrates seamlessly into your daily routine, transforming your shower into a luxurious spa experience. Its combination of convenience, customization, and smart technology makes it the ultimate bathroom upgrade. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the top 10 unbelievable gadgets that can truly transform your bathroom experience. From the innovative Colar Veil Intelligent Toilet at number 10 to the luxurious Moen Smart Shower System taking the top spot, each item brings unique features that enhance comfort, convenience, and style. We've seen how technology can elevate everyday routines, whether it's through touchless faucets, heated towel racks, or smart shower systems. If you're inspired to upgrade your bathroom, consider diving deeper into these remarkable gadgets. Embrace the future of bathroom design and make your space a sanctuary of relaxation and efficiency. Remember, a simple upgrade can lead to a more enjoyable daily routine. So why not take the plunge and transform your bathroom today?